Welcome to the Let's Talk English.
Get ready to boost your English with us, yeah?
Let's learn together. It's gonna be fun.
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hello, hello.
I'm Alex,
And I'm Ria.
and if you're new here, we help you speak English confidently through real conversations. No boring grammar lessons.
Just practical tips you can actually use.
So, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. We're building this community together.
Yes, please. It really helps us out.
All right, Ria, how was your day?
It was good, but I was talking to my friend earlier and she was so stressed.
Oh no, why?
She has a job interview next week and she's so worried about her English. She keeps saying my grammar isn't perfect and what if I make a mistake?
Oh, I hear this all the time. So many people think interviewers are looking for perfect English.
Exactly, but that's not really true, is it?
Not at all, and that's exactly what we're talking about today, how interviewers actually judge your English and what they really care about.
This is going to help so many people.
Let's get into...
Okay, so first thing, do interviewers expect perfect English?
No, and this is so important to understand. They're not looking for perfection.
Really? Then what are they looking for?
They want to know, can you communicate clearly? Can they understand you? And can you understand them?
So it's about communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Think about it. Most jobs require teamwork, presentations, emails, meetings. They need someone who can communicate effectively.
Right, not someone who speaks like a textbook.
Yes, and here's another truth. Many interviewers themselves are not native English speakers.
Oh, that's a good point.
So they understand that English isn't everyone's first language. They're not judging your accent or minor grammar mistakes.
That's so relieving to hear.
What they care about is, are you confident, are you clear, and can you express your ideas?
Confidence, clarity, and expression.
Exactly. Those are the three big things.
Okay, so let's break these down one by one.
All right, number one, clarity. This is the most important thing.
What does clarity mean exactly?
It means speaking in a way that people can easily understand you.
So clear pronunciation, not too fast, not too soft?
Yes, and also organizing your thoughts before speaking.
Can you give an example of unclear versus clear?
Sure. Unclear would be, I was, doing the project and it was good and we finished it.
That's confusing. Too many filler words.
Exactly. Now here's the clear version. I worked on a marketing project with my team and we successfully completed it in 3 weeks.
Much better. Direct and easy to understand.
Right. Notice I didn't use complicated vocabulary. Simple words work perfectly.
So clarity doesn't mean fancy English.
Not at all. In fact, using simple, clear English is better than trying to use big words and getting confused.
That makes sense. What helps improve clarity?
First, speak at a moderate pace, not too fast, not too slow.
Okay.
Second, pause between ideas. Don't rush everything together.
Give the interviewer time to process.
Exactly. And third, if you need a moment to think, it's okay to say, "That's a good question. Let me think for a moment."
Oh, that's much better than just saying
Exactly.
Okay, next one. Confidence. Why is this so important?
Because confident people are easier to work with. They can handle pressure and communicate with clients and teams.
Makes sense. But how do you show confidence if you're nervous about your English?
Great question. Here's the secret. Confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes.
Really?
Not at all. Confidence means you keep going even when you make a small mistake.
So don't panic if you mess up?
Exactly. If you say the wrong word, just correct yourself quickly and move on.
Can you show me?
Sure. I worked at that company for 4 years, and I learned a lot about project management.
Oh, you corrected yourself smoothly and just kept talking.
Yes, that shows confidence. You're not afraid of small mistakes.
What if someone makes a grammar mistake?
Don't apologize for every little thing. If you say, "I have 5 years experience," instead of, "I have 5 years of experience," the interviewer will still understand you perfectly.
So don't keep saying, sorry, my English is bad.
Never say that. It makes you look insecure and actually draws attention to your mistakes.
What should we do instead?
Just speak confidently. Make eye contact, sit up straight, and speak clearly.
Body language matters too.
Absolutely. Confident body language makes your English sound better.
That's such a good tip.
Now let's talk about what interviewers are actually listening for in your English.
Yes, this is important.
First thing, can you answer questions directly?
What do you mean?
If they ask, tell me about your previous role, do you actually answer that question, or do you start talking about something completely different?
Stay on topic.
Exactly. They want to see that you can listen and respond appropriately.
What's the second thing?
Can you give structured answers, like using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result?
Oh, organizing your thoughts.
Yes, even if your grammar isn't perfect, a well-structured answer impresses interviewers.
Can you give an example?
Sure. In my previous role, I noticed our social media engagement was low. I was tasked with improving it. I created a content calendar and posted consistently for 3 months. As a result, we increased engagement by 50%.
That was clear and organized.
See? Simple English, but very effective.
What's the third thing they listen for?
Professional vocabulary. Not fancy words, but job-related terms.
Like what?
Instead of saying, I talked to customers, say, I communicated with clients. Instead of, I helped my team, say, I collaborated with my team.
Small changes that sound more professional.
Exactly. And finally, they listen for enthusiasm and positivity.
How you say things matters as much as what you say.
Yes, if you sound bored or negative, that's a red flag.
Let's bust some common myths about English in interviews.
Great idea. Myth number 1, you need a British or American accent.
That's false, right?
Completely false. Your accent doesn't matter at all. Indian accent, Filipino accent, any accent is fine.
What matters is clear pronunciation.
Exactly. Myth number 2, you need to use big, impressive words.
Also false.
Yes, simple, clear words are always better. Don't say utilize when use works fine.
I love that. Keep it simple.
Myth number 3, grammar mistakes will cost you the job.
And that's not true either.
Not unless they're hiring you specifically for writing or English teaching. Most jobs care more about your skills and experience.
Those small grammar errors are okay?
Yes, as long as you communicate clearly.
Myth number 4. You should memorize answers word for word.
Oh, this is a bad idea. Memorized answers sound robotic and unnatural.
Instead,
Know your main points and speak naturally. It's okay to pause and think.
these myths have been stressing people out for no reason.
Exactly. Now they know the truth.
Okay, so how can people improve their English for interviews?
Here are 5 practical tips. Tip number 1, practice common interview questions out loud.
Not just in your head, actually speak them.
Yes, record yourself and listen back.
What's tip number 2?
Learn professional vocabulary for your field. If you're in IT, know terms like troubleshooting, software development, debugging.
Industry-specific words.
Exactly. Tip number 3, watch English interviews on YouTube.
To see how others answer questions.
Yes, pay attention to their pace, their structure, and how they handle difficult questions.
What's tip number 4?
Practice the STAR method for answering behavioral questions.
Situation, task, action, result.
Yes, this gives your answer structure, which makes you sound more confident.
And tip number 5?
Do mock interviews with a friend or family member. Practice makes perfect.
The more you practice, the less nervous you'll be.
Exactly. And remember, even if your English isn't perfect, preparation will boost your confidence.
Confidence is everything.
Before we finish, let's talk about the real deal breakers, things that actually matter in interviews.
What are they?
First, not being able to understand the question. If you can't understand what they're asking, that's a problem.
So what should we do if we don't understand?
Just say politely, could you please repeat that? Or, I want to make sure I understand. Are you asking about my experience with teamwork?
Clarifying is better than guessing.
Exactly. Second deal breaker, speaking so quietly they can't hear you.
Volume matters.
Yes, speak clearly and at a good volume. Third, being rude or unprofessional in your language.
Always be polite and respectful.
Exactly. And fourth,
not being able to express your key skills and achievements at all.
So practice talking about your accomplishments.
Yes, these are the real things that matter, not grammar mistakes or accent.
All right, everyone, that's it for today.
We hope this video helped you understand what interviewers really care about when judging your English.
Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about clarity, confidence, and communication.
Focus on expressing your ideas clearly, stay confident even with small mistakes, and organize your thoughts.
And please don't stress about your accent or minor grammar errors.
If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We're a new channel creating practical English lessons for real-life situations.
Tell us in the comments, what other interview topics should we cover?
We want to help you succeed.
Thanks so much for watching.
Good luck with your interviews. Bye. Bye.